Now this is just another definition video about databases. So looking at defining the term foreign key. So there's two definitions here that we've got. We've got primary key. Primary key is a field or a set of fields, combination of fields that provides a unique identifier for that particular entry in the database. So a row, sometimes called a tuple. The foreign key, and this is how we might get the points on this kind of question, is a field in one table that's also a primary key in another table. It's probably enough to get the 2 points at GCSE level. So the foreign key field references the primary key of the other table. The data is the same. And so we've got a bit of an example of that idea here. So we've got a table here of students and some of their details, and a table of tutor groups here. So the primary key of tutor group here is linked to this foreign key here in the student table, and so each student has a reference to the tutor group that they're in. So if you were to think about this as an entity diagram, you would have students and tutor groups, and we can think about the degree of that relationship. So the primary key is here in tutor groups, so it's 1 at that end and it's many at the student end. So you can always think about the way these relationships work as well by looking at the idea of where the primary key is, because where the primary key is, if it's the primary key end, it has to be 1 because of the unique principle of the primary key. At the other end, it can be many. As you can see, we've got 1, 2 there that are the same, and they're the same, and these are the same. So therefore, it's many at that end. Okay, so that's just a very quick explanation of the idea of foreign key and defining the term for a 2-mark question.